Okay, so we have a dilemma here. When we originally planned out for this vanity, we planned on a 24-inch vanity, but with space constraints, we ended up not having room for a 24. We had room for a 21. Well, you can't buy a 21-inch vanity, so we had to go with an 18-inch vanity. Now the drain line is in an awkward place. It won't hook up to the trap, so now we have to do some figuring. Let's put it that way. So I got to take that, cut it apart, and we'll figure out how to get the trap in there to it's gonna work. So here we go. I think that'll fit. And I just got to cut this piece off right here. Let's do all this part here. Well, now let's see if it leaks. I hope not. I don't see any drips. I'll get under there with a flashlight and check it a little closer just to make sure. But that's probably going to be good. I hope. And now you push it down. Okay, we've come to the point where we're getting ready to put our shelves in the closet. We went with the Closet Maid. Wow, there's so much echo. Anyway, we went with the Closet Maid shelving, and it's a real simple install. I'm not going to go ahead and explain it too much, but you just have the brackets you put on each side, and you mount them on the wall with little pieces that, little mounting brackets. In our closets, in the closet, we're just going to put one. It's going to be up somewhere, up here. I gotta see if my memory serves me correct. I think it's about 66 inches is where it goes. So You can go higher, you can go 6 feet, but I think 66 is where it normally goes. And you'll just mount a bracket on here, and we'll mount a bracket over here. On the back there's little mounting pieces that screw into the wall. Got the front bedroom. Got the closet in the back bedroom. Linen closet. Master bedroom closet. Got a shelf over the laundry room, washer and dryer area. So you put their laundry detergent up there, maybe hang some clothes as they're drying them. And there's the mirror. And I think I'm going to change that fixture out. I've got a different fixture that I like better. I think I'm going to change that out. But mirrors are up.